If Harvey's bed's rocking, don't come knocking. Good morning! It is for me anyway. Stop hitting the window with the hammer. Honestly, Jesus. And the van. Today you're going to be in second fixing and installing some new Ftype Mk2 downlights, colour changing technology, interchangeable bezels. Got pretty much everything going for them, and they look mega as well. They look cool. Easy push fit terminals. Yeah, but there's one thing with the job is, swear to God, mate, the one thing is that I know that a wall's been built out and a bulkhead has been made a lot bigger than the actual beam that it's tied in, so I know it's going to throw our spots out a lot, so I might have a bit of trouble putting the spots where we originally marked out, but that's part and parcel of building work in it, I suppose. So since I'm not monetising, I might even do a bit of an outro with a bit of Ftype Monkeys. Looking for dancing out. Said I bet that you look good on the dance floor. Dancing to electro pop like a robot from 1984. From 1984. You ready? Well, I bet that you look good on the dance floor. Don't know what you're looking for, romance, or don't know what you're looking for. I said I bet that you look good on the dance floor. Dancing to electro pop like a robot from 1984. What's the matter, Poppet? You okay? You got your hammer? Enjoy. Like and subscribe. So as we're stepping in, we've got like a new bathroom with some spots in when it's done, when the muck sling is finally finished, and then and the open plan kitchen and utility, got some downlights to go in there and whatnot. So we're gonna get, there's 10 going in here now, so go down round and across here. That's a pendant over, so it's going to be an island and smoke detector, so I need to mark out and get them cut out. And what I've done, I hit a pipe and I've never hit a pipe. I did it once in a place where I worked, actually, where my office was, and then I never did it on site anywhere until I worked for these guys, and I've hit 3 pipes in 2 years. Like, and I've only done it because we left a socket down here for a fridge freezer, but now they're having a unit built there with an under-counter fridge, with an under-counter freezer. So the cables were there, so we couldn't have just plugged it in behind it because there's no access to a built-in. It's built in, so I had to drill a few holes to get the cables from down there up to there, because it's all dot and dabbed, it's well deep. And I only hit a pipe down there, didn't I? Can you zoom in and see it? Hit it with a bloody 86mm. 86mm. You can see it behind it, can't you? Round there. Up there. Bound sleeve in half, yeah?
Brown in there,
Bit of brain. What? Oh, he's farting there. Right, I'll mark these out and get them cut out. One 7 by 1. So what's happened now is, because that wall's moved out, and then these are all in the same run as before, as you can see roughly where the lines were, but this is right on the edge of a joist there, and it was on the other side of it because this was only meant to come to about there, and it was going to be close to just on that side. So it's fed from the switch live and neutral up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But this now, for some reason, is trapped on the other side. On the other side of that there, so it's obviously it's caught on something, snagged or something, because that is that. So I can pull a little bit of length back on it this way and then cut it about there. This isn't nice, ideal doing it, but it is what it is, isn't it? And it'll all work. I hope so anyway. What do you think of the new Ftype Luceco 6-in-1s, Av?
Alright, I've not used them before.
Yeah, it says so. Have it on 4 watt on cool white 4K for instance, and you get 485 lumen, 7,500 lumen on 6 watt, so it's a proper bright downlight, that is. Or you can have it set the tone, set the ambience. What would you have in the bedroom, Av? What colour temperature in the bedroom? Warm? Well, do you not go extra warm? 2.7? Yeah, 2,000.
Now I've got the options.
Now we've got the options, mate. Set the tones. Get some nice smooth 90s R&B on.
A little candle.
A little candle. Oh shit. Yeah, so great fittings, to be fair. 5-year warranty. Dimmable. iJoist compliant. iJoist, have you ever heard of that? Got to have the iJoist compliant, haven't you?
What even is it?
Don't know.
Acoustic rating, isn't it?
Acoustic rating. So your mum in the lounge ain't gonna wear your 90s R&B, is she? If she's got the F-types in the lounge. If Harvey's bed's rocking, don't come knocking. So the F-types, I've got it all on 6 watt because it won't be bright enough on 4 watt. So I don't know if you can see it, but that's warm white 3K, extra warm 2.7. Over in the dining area is cool. You can just start to see you can see the difference there, can't you? Cool, warm, and extra warm, and then just got warm there. I think they're cool. I think they're well good. Then in the utility, we've got Disco. So, I hope you liked the video. I'm going to have a quick run through on this downlight, because I bought a few extra as well. Obviously I was gifted some that you saw in the video, but I've been out and bought some as well. The cheapest place I found them was Tool Station, so just so you know, they were about 12 quid each. But they're absolutely brilliant fittings. They look absolutely mint. Obviously, colour changing bezels. I think this is like a matte white, this one. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a really cool looking bezel close up. The matte white, I think it is. But obviously they come with like you can get a brush steel, polished chrome, and a matte black version as well. The bezel, the thing, they feel robust and they feel well made. Like obviously some downlighters feel crap, and like the springs and stuff, like they're not gonna snap off them. Like obviously it's not gonna snap off and ping across a room or whatever. It's just really well made. Like the connections on it. Live earth, neutral, and they're not flimsy. It's a solid unit, and the clamp on it's good as well. And obviously there's a retaining screw if you need to screw it down. And like you say, the 4 and 6 watt, and the 4 colour changing on the side there: extra warm white, cool light, and daylight. So like the 4 watt on the cool white, for instance, is 485 lumen, whereas at 6 watt it's 750 lumen. Now that's a pretty bright downlight. That, let's just say, like a standard GU10 lamp is what, 380 to 450 lumen. So a 750 lumen fitting is pretty good. Some of the other things as well. So you can cover it directly with insulation straight over the top of it. On the top there's like a little window that you can see through, so you can check your connections are pretty good without having to open stuff up or whatever. Like I said in the video, it's I don't know if I said it, but it's dimmable, so it's a dimmable fitting straight away. Acoustic rating, 30, 60 or 90 minutes fire rating. Air leakage, so that's it's a pretty good fitting all around. I mean, crystalline optics, engineer's regressed back lens. I don't know what that means, but you can actually see the LEDs look minting on them as well. I'm not trying to sell these, but they are. This is a really good fitting. One downer I would say was that maybe it'd be better with a lead and a box on it that you could unplug, put your connections into that, and then plug it in after. But they already make fittings like that as well, so they do make F-types with that. I think maybe this could just be a good downlight swapping light fitting. Maybe if you're going in and you're swapping downlights, this would be a good quick fit. Like you say, if you've not got enough room above the ceiling or whatever, that'd be a boy. So yeah, it's a yes from me. The Luceco Ftype Mk2, flawless functionality. So yeah, that's enough of me waffling on now about this light. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Do us a massive favour. Yeah, nothing else. All the best. Peace out.